everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix toilet bolts that won't tighten. Now, a lot of times what causes this is the underneath flange is actually a little warped, or your bolt is sitting down too far where it's not coming up high enough and hitting those stops. For this job, we'll be using a pair of pliers and a pair of vice grips. You will also need your nut and a washer. So the first thing we do is put our washer over top of our bolt. Then we'll start to hand tighten our nut. After it's hand tightened, I'll take and I'll adjust my vice grips to be able to grab the top of that bolt. After that, I'll go ahead and grab the nut with my pair of pliers. Then I'll begin to just tighten it down, making sure that the bolt doesn't move with the vice grips. After I'm done, I carefully remove the vice grips, and your bolt is now nice and tight. One reason this is nice to be able to do it like this is that way you don't have to pull your entire toilet off and replace the mounting flange down at the bottom and have to reinstall the toilet. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.